Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Stripe for online payments, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Stripe account at stripe.com. Make sure to verify your email address after signing up. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different sections available. Click on the settings icon in the lower left corner. Set up your business information correctly. Fill out details like your business name and address. Add your bank account information for payouts. Under payment methods, choose which ones to enable. Consider options such as credit cards and digital wallets. Check the tax settings section to ensure you're compliant. Set up automatic tax calculation if needed. Review the webhook settings. Webhooks allow your system to respond to events triggered by Stripe. Create a new webhook endpoint for real-time notifications. Next, navigate to the Developers section. Get your API keys from the API Keys subsection. Use the test keys while developing your application. Switch to live keys once you're ready for production. Integrate Stripe's API into your website or app. Utilize the documentation provided by Stripe to guide your integration. Test your payments using the various test card numbers provided by Stripe. Monitor the dashboard to track your transactions. Analyze your payment performance using the reporting tools available. Optimize your checkout flow for better conversion rates. Consider implementing features like saved cards or one-click payments. Use Stripe's built-in fraud prevention tools to enhance security. Regularly review your payout schedule to manage cash flow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.